Welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri, and today we're checking out this gorgeous Subaru, and check out the color. Dan is actually driving it, and he is our Subaru specialist. Dan has passion for Subarus. He has a Subaru. He had many of them. So I'm going to hand the microphone to Dan. And Dan, just take us through the features. I'll cover the vehicle condition. It's beautiful. It has no paintwork. We'll cover all that. But while you're here, can you go through, just show us some special things? What's so special about this car?
Sure. So this is a 2018 Crosstrek Limited. Starting up front, the Limited model has LED headlights, but it gets even better than that. They are steering responsive headlights. So when you turn the steering wheel, they'll turn with the contour of the road as well. And also they have automatic high beams as standard. On the safety front, you'll see there's two cameras on each side of the rear view mirror, and that's the Subaru Eyesight system. That system controls the adaptive cruise control. It also works in conjunction with the headlights and the blind spot monitors, and also this vehicle will also part of the adaptive cruise control. It's like a city mode where it will also come to a complete stop in traffic.
Wow, it's very fancy inside.
Yeah.
And what is, I know this car has special equipment here on the windshield. Looks like a very nice camera.
Yeah, so this, the previous owner installed a front and rear view dash camera.
Wow.
So it'll power on when the vehicle's on. It'll give you that little beep, and it'll show you both the front and rear view. Looks like it needs an SD card, but that's easy to find. And it's always on. So, you know, if the new owner would like to have it on only the front, they can have it on just the front, or they can have it on the rear. Also, when you put it in reverse, it also acts as a secondary backup camera.
Wow.
Also nice on the Limited model, automatic climate control, Subaru's heated seats, X mode for inclement weather, and as well as just this nice leather interior.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. This is very sporty. And
yeah.
The orange stitching does a nice contrast on the interior and matches up the color. So let's check out the cargo space.
So,
wow, it's beautiful in the sun.
yes, nice amount of cargo space, and there's always underfloor storage here as well. And then on each side, there's a little bit.
Yeah, it's all like brand new condition, basically.
Yes, so just under 25,000 miles. On the back, we have the parking sensors, which are standard on a Limited model, but it also includes rear automatic braking. So this vehicle, if you were to get too close to an object, it will brake for you as well.
Wow. Well, thanks for your help.
No problem.
I'll grab the mic and we will walk through the rest of the car. So the sun just came out, and this color is simply stunning, and I don't think that the digital video is going to give it justice, because it's just such a rich, deep orange color. It's got a little bit of brick and brown in it, and it is simply amazing. So the condition of the vehicle, it has no dents, no scuffs, no gouges. All the body panels line up beautifully. As you can see, all the rims are very nice. We're going to see them all. The plastic cladding, the impact absorbing cladding is in great shape. Here's another rim. The condition of tires, you can see all the details in our listing, but it sounds like the tires are still in great condition. Oh, and Dan just handed me the keys. Dan, this one also looks like it has a remote start, right?
Yes, it does.
And it's a Subaru factory.
Yes.
Wow, this is great. So this car looks like it has almost everything. Yeah, the condition of interior, we'll talk about that in a moment, but we're still looking now on the tires and wheels now on the left side. The rims are in great condition. As I said, all the tires consistent with the vehicle mileage. They have 25,000 miles. So they still have plenty of residual tread left. And the left front rim is really, really nice. So there are practically no chips in the front. There were a couple that our detailer touched up. You can see one little mark right here. You can barely see it. It was like a little tiny thing. And there was another tiny one right here that you probably wouldn't even see, but we want to show it. The rest of the car is impeccable. There are no damage to the windshield, and there's a factory roof rails, and then there are crossbars, and looks like there are some, you can mount certain things. You can certainly mount skis up there, and those are adapters. They're easy to remove. So overall, the car is a great value. It's in phenomenal condition. We're going to take a walk around the vehicle. Now, I'd like to take videos when it's not sunny, so we started this video. There were some clouds, but now there's sun. So sorry for the for probably not the very best color presentation, but take my word for it, this car is absolutely stunning, amazing. As far as additional accessories, there are wind deflectors over here, and if you don't like them, they can be easily removed, but this is the very best quality money can buy, and you can see the installation is stellar, impeccable. The door jambs, all four of them are in impeccable condition, no scuffs, no gouges. A lot of nice, tasteful orange detail. Look at the inserts in the door handles right there. Of course, orange stitching, more inserts this way. And the condition of the car, the previous owner took very, very good care of it. And it was a trade-in on a Tesla Model S that we had here. So, of course, we did a fantastic detailing job on this car. It looks very, very nice. There are no smells to report. The leather looks gorgeous. The seat bolster is in excellent condition. The armrest is equally as nice. The steering wheel shows no wear. It looks like new. All the switches, everything is in great shape. You get in the car, it's very, very comfortable. And it feels special. Of course, the color is special. And you get inside, look at this carbon fiber detail on the doors. Nice aluminum trim, carbon fiber details. Excellent cup holders, and it's quiet. You close the door and it's like, wow, this thing is quiet. And as Dan pointed out, it comes already with some nice pre-installed equipment. And the way it's installed, it really does not take away, like this is how it looks from my eye level. Of course, I had the camera on the lower level below, and you could see more of the camera, but otherwise it looks great. And you can definitely, depending on your height, you can change the position and move it up if needed. So it has a nice sunroof. The headliner is in great shape. The seats are awesome, and plenty of dash space. And when you start the vehicle, it's very quiet inside. Very, very quiet. Only 24,789 miles. And it has the legendary Subaru all-wheel drive system. Let's take a peek at the engine. The engine is still cold, so it runs slightly higher RPM than idle. But let's take a look at it. I absolutely love this orange color. It looks awesome with the black contrast. And as you can see here, engine runs beautiful. And this is 100% original vehicle. It had no previous body work or paint work. It's got excellent service history, and we're thrilled to have it for your consideration. So any questions, please give us a call. You can visit us online, or as I said, simply call us. By the way, the engine just dropped to normal idle. Let's hear it again. It's very nice and very quiet. Yeah, you can barely hear it. So getting back in the car, it looks like this car also had something that's called Zurich Shield. I have to look that up to see what it is. You guys may know what it is, but I don't, so we're gonna look that up. We're gonna shut off the engine. Take another quick walk around the vehicle, confirm that all the body panels are nice and straight, no dings, no scratches, no scuffs on the mirrors or rims. The front bumper looks awesome. Here's our contact information. You can call us at 978-263-9000 or find us online at alphacars.com. Thank you very much for viewing this video from AlphaCars, and please subscribe and let us know when you like our videos. Thank you.